Hi guys! I've been a frequent traveler for more than 30 years, but even today, in spite of all my experience, every time I'm about to open this door and go somewhere abroad, one question pops up in my mind. Am I forgetting something important? That's right. You never want to be in a situation where you reach an airport or a train station just to find out that you forgot one of those essential items without which you will never be allowed to reach your final destination. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you the only thing that you need to do to make sure that you never ever forget one of those essential items. But before I do that, please subscribe to my channel so that you never miss every time I post a new video about how to travel safe and happy. Okay, no more wasting time. This is my secret.
Not everything. Tickets, money, passport! Tickets, money, passport!
Fans of Absolutely Fabulous will have for sure recognized that immortal scene where Edwina is rushing back home because she forgot tickets, money, passport. Now, I know it sounds silly, but it really works, and that's why now I want you to do the same. I mean, not to go out just to run back home because you forgot those items, but repeat tickets, money, passport. Take it as a sort of a mantra, repeat it in your mind over and over until it becomes kind of like second nature for you. And by the way, since nowadays all tickets doesn't really matter whether it's for train, airplane, bus or a boat, are paperless, so they're stored in our phones. Every time you think tickets, you will also remember to bring your phone. Another item without which we cannot live nowadays. How cool is that? So now you have it. Tickets, money, passport. Tickets, money, passport. Keep repeating it. Watch that hilarious scene if it helps you. And so next time that you will have this in your hand and you're about to get out of your front door to travel abroad, you will never forget those items.